Hey, welcome back, and here in this video I'm just going to add the team page in this website. So to make this team page dynamically adding, I'm just going to move to code editor here, and here in this I'm opening the file arraymenu.php, and here I'm just going to add some more elements here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create here team members as a variable. So team members variable, to this I'm initializing again as array, and I'm taking array function here, and within this array I'm going to declare one more array, and here in this array I'm saying I'm creating a variable value, say name, a variable value, say name, and to this I'm associating a value, to this I'm associating a value, say Frankie, and to second I just wanted to add, say, position, that is position of the person within the restaurant. So Frankie is the owner of the restaurant, and to this I just wanted to add another information, that is bio, some information about the person. So in that case I'm copying the content from here. I have already saved, so I'm taking this from this, copy it from here, and if you make your contents before writing the codes ready, so it will helpful in saving your time while coding. And in the last I just wanted to insert the image, so for that I'm taking variable as image here array, and to that I'm associating the value, say name of the person, say Frankie, and then in the last I have to put the comma here. So what I'm going to do, I want to add 3 persons, so I'll take copy this content 2 more time here, and then the last I have to put the semicolon as that case. So what I'm going to do this time, I'm taking another member as say Francis, and to this I'm adding her position as say general manager, and to her bio I'm going to write again, copy the content from my file, and here I'm going to copy this from here, and here I'm just going to paste it here, and here the name as say Francis. Save your changes. Then in the last I have the name, say Carlos, and to this I'm adding the position as a head chef, and here in the last I have to add his bio information. So that I have done in my file. Here I'm just going to copy it from here, Control C, and paste here using Control V, and here I have to add in the name as image Carlos. Why I'm giving the, I just wanted to insert image over there, so my image files are stored in the image folder, and here are the name of the files. Say in the name of Carlos I just wanted to display the name, image as a Carlos, so I have to give the Carlos here. In the case of Frankie and Francis, I have 3 files with the name of carlos.png, francis.png, frankie.png. So I just wanted to include these images, so for that I have created an array. So after this what I have to do, I have to move to my root folder, and in the root here I have to create team dot team.php. So here is my team.php file, and here in this file I have to write some script for PHP. So I'm using PHP here, and first of all I have wanted to define the title. So for this I'm using define function, and here I just wanted to give the name of the variable, say title, and to this I have to assign the value in the double quotes, say team, and here I can write Frank Lens fine dining, and put the semicolon at the end. And here after this I just wanted to include my header file. So for this I'm using include, and in the include here I have to give the path of the file, so that is in the includes folder, and here is the name of the file is header.php. At the end again put the semicolon, and in the last close the script. So this is done here. So what I have to do after this, I'm just going to add, say, some PHP code, or I just want to add some HTML code before that. So for this I'm taking div, and to this I'm adding class, say cf clearfix, that I have created in the style.cs file, and here the div is closed, and in this div here I'm just going to add h1 header 1 element, close the header, and in the header I just wanted to put the header as a our team at Franklin, paste it here. And after this I just wanted to add some paragraph, something about our team information. So that paragraph again I'm going to copy it from here using Control C, and paste it here using Control B. And this information I just want again in strong, so this is closing add for tag for the strong, and here I'm using again strong. Okay, so move to the end, and after this I just wanted to add a horizontal row. So for this I'm using HR element, and to this I just wanted to make some inline style, say inline style, and I wanted to insert background image, and to this background image I just wanted to add a value as a URL. I just wanted to give here, and here in the URL I have to give the my images stored in this folder img. So I'm using img, and after the img I have file with the name of hr.png. So what I have to do, make it in the single quotes. Yeah, that will be sufficient for this, and in the last close our HR element, and I'm just going to write after this I just wanted to include the name of the our team member. Then after that I just wanted to include the image and some bio information of that. So for this I have created an array in the array menu.php file, so that I wanted to include in this file. So for this I'm writing some PHP code. So here I'm writing PHP, now I'm using loop for each loop here, and within the loop I'm using variables, say variable I have defined as a team member, team members. Say here I'm using as a member variable I'm creating members, and here I'm just going to use curly bracket to write its body. So what I'm doing here, I'm including closing this PHP script, and after that I wanted to write some HTML script. So for this I'm using div element, and here I'm using class along with that, and the class is member. Not the member, it's member. I think I have created there, and after the I just wanted to include the image first. So for this I'm using the img element of HTML. Then here I have to give the source src is equal to, my images are stored here in the img folder, so I'm giving the folder name img, then backslash, and here I just wanted to include some PHP script. Then here I'm writing echo, and here I'm using the variable name say members, and here in the members I have to give the img, and close the script here, put after semicolon, close the script, and here you have to put a dot. The extension of all the file is .png, so I have put the png here, and after this I have to use another attribute of img element, that is alt attribute, and if the image is not displayed over there, I want the name of the person to be displayed, so for that I am using alt attributes. So here again I am writing PHP script to automatically display his name. So here is PHP, then I have to use echo, then variable members, then here I have to give the reference as name that I wanted to display, and here in the last I have to put the semicolon, then close the script, and then close the img element. It's done, and after this I just wanted to display the name, so that is in the headers. So for this I'm using h2 element, this is closing, and here again I'm using this script, so I'm using this control C, and here I'm going to paste it control V. So this here name is displayed, and after that I just wanted to display the information in paragraph, so I'm using P element, and here in the paragraph again I'm going to copy this, and here I'm going to paste, and this time using, I just wanted to display his bio information, so using variable bio here. So this is div is done. So here I just wanted to close the script, start the PHP script again here, then here after this just close the PHP, and then our div is closed, and after this div I just wanted to use same horizontal line here, so copy it from there, and in the last here paste it, and in the last I just wanted to include my footer file. So for this again create PHP, and this time you can type here control C and put it here control B, and here I have to put the file as a footer.php, then in the last close our PHP script. So I think almost everything is done, so save your changes, then move to your browser, and here in the browser just refresh your page, and after this just click on this link that is team. If you click on this thing team, this members is added. Here we go. So this is where we have created the three members there. One is the Frankie, Francis, Carlos. Here comes their names, and this is the title has been displayed along with the images. This is the image of Frankie, this is the image of Francis, and this is the image of Carlos. And this is some bio information about Frankie and Francis and Carlos that we have added, and at the end we have added some horizontal row there with background. So this way we can create a pages, that is team.php page. So our website, then one is the home page, another one is the team page of the website. Okay, so if we click on the home, it will look like this way, and if we click on team, our team is like this way. So this is how we can include, and this is what called in the dynamic page that we have included, and all the members we have included in this page dynamically. So that's all for this video, and see you in the next video, and in that we will create the another, that is menu or dish items to this website. That's all for now.